Then
But you do it.
I'm not gonna do it unless you do it. Is it hot?
Man,
I want to test if it's hot right now.
if you're gonna do it, do it.
No,
Stop being a bitch.
Are you gonna do it?
Probably not, dude. I'm gonna be real honest.
Then I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like right up here.
Don't do it on your fucking nerve,
On your
dum-dum.
thigh.
If you're gonna do it,
do it.
if you're gonna do it, then we're running that film.
Right
Yeah, I don't know. Probably not, but that's gonna hurt. So just do it and get it over with, and you'll be all right.
I'm not doing it.
You're on
Are you
YouTube.
gonna do it?
You're going on YouTube.
I had needles.
You're gonna start the fucking BB gun challenge.
I had a shot that I had to give myself when I had a migraine.
Alex.
This is Alex doing the BB gun challenge.
It didn't really hurt that bad.
You got sweatpants. You like balled them up under it to catch it.
Yeah, it hurt.
Did he get you?
Did they go through the sweatpants? Look, the barrel is there
Oh
too.
my God.
Let me see.
That's bad.
My turn to shoot
Move out
Alex.
of the light, Lucas.
Huh?
Move out of the light.
My turn to shoot Alex.
No, I still can't see it. Lift it up.
Come forward. Look at that.
Yeah, get over here.
Yeah, the light ain't even gonna shine.
Stand here.
Okay.
Now the light is shining on it. So now we can see it.
You dumbass. Stop.
Okay, you done? You stop.
It fucking hurt, didn't it?
Yeah, fucking
Not
hurt.
really, only for a couple of seconds.
Only for a couple.